Hello, I'm Anastasia, and I am the founder of Loo Drops. We make pre-poop toilet drops that eliminate odors and elevate the bathroom routine because no one should be left smelling their you-know-what. Our channels right now are currently D2C, so we are direct-to-consumer for Americans and Canadians. We're a Canadian brand. I'd say our biggest challenge to date is that I'm still a team of one and I'm learning it all as I go. My friends and my family are basically my workers right now. But please keep an eye out for Loo Drops because we're going to blow up every bathroom around here. I think in today's date, like the younger generation is more comfortable talking about taboo products, right? So we talk about like period cups and tampons and like sexual wellness, and Loo Drops falls into that personal care brand. So while some people might be uncomfortable with it, I actually think it works in our favor that we have a unique product that's solving an everyday problem that everyone actually deals with. We are removing the taboo around something that everyone does. So I sell through my Instagram and my TikTok account. You can find us there. We have some really great videos about like the worst places to have diarrhea and also the best places to have diarrhea. And then we sell directly through our website, which is loodrops.com.